Hi, I'm Kate from Philly PR Girl, and you're watching VIP Philly, your exclusive guide to the best events happening right here in Philadelphia. Let's take a look at what's going on this week. Do you like Quizzo? One of the best Quizzo hosts in the city, Johnny Goodtimes, hosts Quizzo every Monday night at North Star Bar. Right at 7 o'clock, there's food specials, drink specials, and of course, prizes for the winners. I think it's time to start playing Quizzo. Next up, this Thursday, July 30th at Underground Arts is Venture On, presented by Venture Forth. Some of Philadelphia's top emerging musical talents will be there, along with our best chefs and some of our best leaders in the startup scene. All proceeds go to support nonprofits, entrepreneurs, and artists right in here in Philadelphia. The host for the night is Philly's own Chill Moody, with music by DJ Royale and other very talented local Philadelphia musicians. This Saturday, August 1st, is at the Dog Wash. From noon to 5 at the Trestle Inn, bring your dog for some good, clean fun benefiting Paws. There's a sidewalk dog wash, some good 70s funk music, drink specials, and food trucks. And if you don't have a dog, don't worry. Come down, get dirty for a good cause. North Bowl's second annual Tot Competition is this Saturday, August 1st. Yes, tater tots. The event is outside in their pop-up beer garden. Entry is free for professionals and amateurs alike. Good luck. And for this week's featured event is the 7th annual 2nd Street Festival. It's held every first Sunday in August from noon to 10 p.m. It's the city's biggest block party with food vendors, beer gardens, artists, workshops, and musical acts on 3 stages. It has everything. I'll see you there. Well, that's it for this week. I'm Kate from Philly PR Girl. Be sure to check out VIP Philly every week, your exclusive guide to the best events happening right here in Philadelphia. Thanks for watching My New Philly, where something's always new and everything is always Philly.